right. I think I'm live. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Give it a second. Chat to catch up. Make sure my mic is working. I think my mic is working. All right, excellent. Looks like it's working. How's everybody going? Or how's everybody doing? We have a contest today. One day late, I apologize. I have not streamed in 8 days. I'm glitching out for you? Oh no. Can you guys hear me all right? You can? Okay. I'm lagging. Hold on. Let's see if there's something I can do. The military government of Fishistan, please see me. I love your content. Hell yeah, thank you. We put out a new short today. Go take a look. It's laggy. I don't know what to do about that. Is my voice choppy? My mic is lagging a lot. Oh no, I don't know what to do. Here, give me a second. Let me try and unplug it. Let's see. Mike's gonna cut out for a second. All right. How's this? Can you guys hear me? Let me know if it's a little bit less laggy. The music is lagging. That's so strange. I don't know. My internet was a little choppy yesterday. I haven't streamed in 8 days, so I don't know if what exactly is going on. There's still lag. Let me see. Sorry about that. Not much now? Okay, well, let's see. Let's hope that it just fixes itself. It's good? Okay, cool. All right, so we have a contest today. I apologize that we had to delay it by 1 day. I have been out for 8 days. There was an unexpected death in my family, so I wasn't able to work on the channel for close to a little over a week, so I apologize. But we will do our contest today. There are a lot of really cool entries. So let's go right into it. I have, I think, 82 entries, something like that, 82, 84 entries. So I'm going to give you guys a link to the straw poll that has 32. Vote for your favorite 32 entries. We're going to go through all of them today. And should be good. So please drop a like on the stream if you've not done so already. We also put out a short today, a couple minutes ago. Go check that out as well. Thank you for the kind words, guys. I appreciate it. I use straw poll so much I should make an account. Yeah, I probably should. Okay, so let me pin this for anybody joining the stream a little bit later. Okay, so you can go to the straw poll. You can vote for your favorite 32 entries. When we get it down to 32, we'll do groups of 4. And then the last 8 or so people will be in head-to-heads. So, let's go right into it. So the very first entry we have today in the Space Art Contest is from Polandball. Let's take a look. Polandball. This looks like a space race. French ball, your entry is in there. There might be 1 or 2 that's not, 1 or 2 entries that are not in alphabetical order, but you are there. So here's Polandball's entry. We've got US on the left, USSR on the right, or no, this is China on the right. NASA and then CNSA. This is really cool. I like all the little colors here. So this is Polandball. Great stuff. Very clean. This also looks like one ball, and he just split it in half. Got the moon up there. I really like this. Polandball, our first entry. All right. Next, we have Banana Man. And it's a little fuzzy, but hopefully you guys can read it. This is real footage. Do not believe stink Serbs. Is this Albania trying to get into space? Yeah. This is funny. Good job on the star. Is this a knife that he's holding? I'm Sam14. Say happy birthday to Belgium. Their birthday was last Friday. Happy birthday to the entire country of Belgium. Oh, is Michael Najik not modded in chat? Here, I should be able to do that. Let me see. Where is Michael Najik? There. Okay, I can become a moderator. Make them a moderator. Add as moderator. Done. You have the power now. Alright, so this was Banana Man's entry. I think this is Albania into space. A 5-year-old drew this rocket. Not everybody is, far along in their art journey yet. So one of the things that we like to do on this channel is encourage people to make art. My first pieces of Polandball art, Polandball art, were terrible. People come a long way very quickly. Alright. This is Banana Man. Next one we have Just for Fun. Remember, you can go to the straw poll and vote for your favorite 32. You don't have to vote for one. Just for Fun looks like... I can't see if there's anything written in the stars here. It looks like you probably wrote something. It's a little hard to make out, and it's a little fuzzy. We've got a couple of European countries. So what? Ireland, Ukraine, Germany. I want to say this is France. We've got Canada, Poland, Japan, and the US. Interesting looking tree. I don't know what this is. Just for fun. I can't tell what that is. But there's some interesting use of color here. Basically, Ty, how's it going? Alright, so this is Just for Fun. Our fourth entry is from Luca. I think this was an emailed entry. Luca drew Germany on the moon. Pretty good. We've got the Big Dipper, top left, Earth in the background, and a shooting star. Simple. I like it. Very good. No nonsense in here. Good job, Luca. Next, we have Northern Irish artist with... okay, wow, there's a lot going on here. All right, we've got the moon. I think that's India on the moon with an alien. UK. Poland can into space now. Well done, Poland. Blech. USSR. This is European Union with an ESA satellite, and then US in a spacesuit. So, A common misconception, for those of you who don't know, the European Space Agency is a separate organization from the European Union. It has different membership. There's a lot of overlap, and the European Union does provide funding to the European Space Agency, but it is not an agency of the European Union. But very cool. And then, so one of the rules for this contest was Poland cannot enter space. Right? That's one of the most sacred rules in Polandball. Poland cannot enter space. But we'll let it slide because not everybody reads the instructions, but you should. That one dude, hello, I just want to say that I love your country ball videos. Thank you so much. Thanks for stopping by. Please be so kind as to drop a like on the stream before you head out. Would appreciate it. The Justice for Poland. Where can you send art? You can join our Discord, discord.gg/PolandballOfficial. Or you can email me at colipv@gmail.com. Remember, go to the straw poll. It's the pinned message in chat. Vote for your favorite 32 entries. You shouldn't be voting for people before we've even seen their artwork. This is Northern Irish artist. Good job, Northern Irish artist. Why is Soviet Union an angel? Because he's dead. USSR wasn't very religious. Well, the state wasn't, but the people still were, you know? Next, we have Rocky. The Great Space Race. This looks like the US and probably the Soviet Union, right? Given the context. A little hard to make out what this is on the right. This is pretty cool, though. It looks like the background might have been like a photo that you put behind the characters. You should draw everything. But I love me some space photos, so. But yeah, in the future, make sure you draw everything. Did I see the artwork Najik made of me? I did. It was awesome. I'll show that a little bit later in stream. This is Rocky. Good job, Rocky. Next, we have Seek the Second with Germany in space. Poland left behind. Remember, Poland can't into space, so stuck on Earth. Perfect. And we got, is this supposed to be the sun or Jupiter? Oh, it's the sun. High sun. Space. Couple of small suggestions. There's nothing in it, nothing egregiously wrong with this. Seek the Second. Make sure you're not using black outlines between the different colors on the flag. So like on Poland and Germany. And then just make sure that you're not going outside the lines, you know, when you're coloring. But pretty solid. I think this is your first entry, Seek the Second. Good job. Next, we have Shia Mapper with Norway. Norway going to the moon. I'm going to call this Blackland. I like this. There were a couple of other people that did similar entries with Norway or some Viking character, some Nordic country, going to Mars and naming it Greenland or something. Blue Land. Laurier. Very cool. Just a little bit fuzzy. That's alright. This was Shia Mapper. I think this is Shia Mapper's first entry. Good job. Hope you guys keep entering. Here, let's close the ones. Whoop. Well, I lost my contest folder. Wanted to close some of these. Alright, next we have T-Cent. T-Cent, I see you in chat. This is great. Excellent artwork. This is gorgeous. So we've got the UK riding an asteroid. About to hit the... It's hitting the atmosphere, right? So you can see the heat. There's a... It's being ablated. An alien. The British Space Empire. Every little rock, put a Union Jack on it. Polish Tortoise, how's it going? I'm Sam14. You're now Dawn of Chance. I do have your entry. I just took people's Discord names. The Brits are now colonizing space. Britain's never really had a terribly robust space program. They're a member of the European Space Agency, which itself is more robust, but the British themselves... Space programs are big and expensive things. They're generally not things that smaller countries can afford. Polish Tortoise just randomly appeared. Been watching your shorts recently. That's awesome. I've seen a bunch of your videos as well. Really like your stuff. Glad you found ours. Shout out to Polish Tortoise. If you guys don't know their channel, go check it out. Another Country Ball creator. Good videos and shorts. Why do you think Belgium also can into space? They can. They absolutely can. They're part of ESA as well. Fat Creations, hello from Ireland. Welcome. Alright, so this is T-Cent. T-Cent, great entry. Love it. Remember, vote for your favorite 32. It's the pinned message. I'm also going to put the straw poll in chat again. Follow along. We're going a little bit more quickly today than previous contest because we have a lot of entries. Next, that one Native American artist. This is excellent. Let's take a look. There's a lot going on here. Polska cannot into space. Okay, this is good. I'll allow this. Since Poland cannot into space, his rocket is exploding, so we're going to pretend that he's falling back to Earth. You know? We've got Laos and Germany back on Earth. Soviet Union in space. Is this Poland dreaming of being in space? We got the moon, the US flag, and a lot of different constellations. This is cool. Really good job. This is that one Native American artist. Bajaria, did we show your entry yet? Not yet. Ash Rather, what's my favorite Country Ball character? I like Poland. I think Poland has the best character in Polandball. It's the most fleshed out. And it's also the most unique because a character like the UK or the US or Germany sort of... They were developed from existing stereotypes of those countries, where Poland, I think, is kind of like got a unique character that's not really related to stereotypes of Poland or Polish people, you know? Like, Poland cannot into space is a totally nonsensical thing, right? Like, Poland is a member of the European Space Agency. There have been Polish astronauts, right? Can Slovenia into space? Yeah, I think Slovenia is also a member of the European Space Agency. Conrad, even the day Poland actually goes to space, Poland will not into space. True. So this is that one Native American artist. Really great entry. Remember, follow along on the straw poll. Vote for your favorite 32. Next, 2002 Audi TT. Cool name, by the way. We've got Austria and Germany looking at Poland in a simulator. Poland can go into space. This is a little bit messy to Audi. I would spend some time just trying to clean it up a little bit. It looks like maybe this was Circle Tool as well on one of these balls. This is my favorite part of the drawing. The monitor that has Poland and probability 15.6%. And I think this looks like this was an image that was just copy pasted. The ESA logo. Little messy, but I think this is your first entry in a contest. So we all start somewhere, right? SC Julius, you think it's because Poland never made their own rockets? I mean, there's a lot of countries that didn't really make their own rockets, right? ESA mostly uses rockets that are created by Arianespace, which is technically a French company. But they get contracted by a large organization, right? Can Vatican into space? No, I don't think so. Feeding chickens is playing in the background? Yes. Turn it up a little bit. So this is 2002 Audi TT. Solid entry. Keep entering contests. There have been a number of people who have entered into a couple contests over the months, and I've seen their work improve, their artwork improve quite noticeably. Malik in particular, I remember their first entry was a little rough, but now is one of, I think, the best artists in at least in the Discord community. T-San, remember that one Minecraft one you made? Yeah, I think it was the one with Steve on the horse, right? I think I remember that one. Alright, 2002 Audi TT. Next, we have Agician. Agician won the last contest 2 weeks ago. This is cool as hell. This looks like the Pantheon of the Gods or something. This is really great. This is Agician. Agician won the contest 2 weeks ago for political subdivisions and cities. Remember, go vote. I'll periodically post a straw poll in chat, even though it's also pinned. You can choose 32. Choose your favorite 32. Yeah, this is Agician. This is excellent. There's... got a satellite here. It's Ireland. I want to say this is Greece. This is so good. I like these glasses. And this is, I think, Agician's, a stand-in for Agician. This is really good. Great job, Agician. The way you did, the cosmic dust is really cool, too. Excellent. Excellent work, as always. Oh, that's the moon? Okay. Oh, this was Italy down here? Okay. Very good. Great job, Agician. Next, we have Ainball. Ainball, I think, made this for something else. This was a dual-use project. Made this for a game or something. And has entered it as their contest entry. So we've got some planet balls. We've got the sun and a bunch of random planets. This is A star, I guess. It's a binary system, I think. This is cool. The little hat. This is really well done. Op system bodies. It's like D&D. This is really cool. This is Ainball. A-I-N-B-A-L-L. How long will this stream be? Probably about 2 hours total. Alyssa Raymer, how's it going? Yeah, streams are usually 2 to 3 hours. Contest streams can sometimes be inconsistent in length just because it depends on how many entries we have and how much detail we go into. Today we have about 82, 87 entries. We've sort of been averaging in the 80s for the past couple of contests. We had one, I think, where we had like 110 entries. Was that the flag contest? That one was kind of easy though, because flags, there's not much to look at. It's just relatively simple design. But this is really good. This is Ainball. Great job, Ainball. Let's close some of these. Next, we have Anvita and Sunnyflower. Cooked as usual. This is gorgeous. We've got India and Brazil, I think, on the moon. And if not the moon, it's something. Some sort of celestial body. French ball, it's going to be a short stream. Or Coli, it's going to be a short stream. Also Coli, 3-hour stream. True. This is Anvita and Sunnyflower. Remember, you can vote for 32 entries. So you can vote for basically almost half of the total entries. We're going to take your top 32, and then we're going to do a bracket. What's the prize for winning? The prize for winning is you get a little sticker on our Discord, and you get to help choose the next contest. So, I never understood why people get upset if they don't win, because it doesn't really matter. You get bragging rights, yeah. And I think you get like a little roll, like a victor roll, art victor roll on our Discord. But yeah, you don't win anything of substance. This is just a way for us to sort of have a regular community event and for people to share their artwork. You should be doing school artwork. Nah. Just draw planet balls and Polandball content. Eunice, how's it going? Please tell me the next contest is in 1 week, not 2. Yeah, we can probably do it next Saturday. School is temporary, Polandball is forever. This is true. I was still in school when I found Polandball. I am no longer in school. Oh, I did miss Alexandria Ball. Yes, thank you. So again, this was in Vita and Sunnyflower. Excellent, excellent entry. I absolutely love the lighting and the colors here. I also like the little alien balls. Very cool. Great stuff. And Vita and Sunny. Great as always. Alexandria Ball is next. I remember this one from when I was collecting all the entries. I like the idea of the US having just like a helmet and then like the rest of his body is so fat that it's outside of the spacesuit is really funny to me. Dorito Poor Dutchie is collabing with you. Can I add him to... Yes. Dorito Poor and Dutchie. Updated. Remember, go to the straw poll. Vote for your favorite 32. This is Alexandria Ball. So we've got Fat US on the moon, and the Confederate States of America and Naughty Germany are there. Good, you have not noticing us. Why don't we just attack? Nightbot smoked you for using 2 emotes. That sucks. Yeah, Nightbot is a harsh mistress. If you want to use emotes in our chat, you can join our channel as a member for $4.99 a month. You get little emotes, you get a little badge next to your name. I saw 1 or 2 people have the 3rd month badge now, which is Singapore, which is a triangle. First month is Poland, 2nd month is US, 3rd month is Singapore. This is good, Alexandria Ball. I like it. This reminds me of what's that movie? Iron Sky? I think it's at one point in time, I think when it came out, it was the most expensive Finnish film production ever. And it's about moon Nazis. It's really funny. It's from like 12 or 13 years ago. Really good. Alexandria Ball, great job. Next, we have Ariel. Ariel, we have... Oh, we got some Euros into space. Okay. Oh, I like this. So, UK and France using actual rockets to get into space, and then Spain and Portugal are just sailing into space. I like it. It's a 600-second timeout for 2 emojis. Yeah, Michael Najik, if you want to talk to, or any of the other mods, if you guys want to talk to Dick Rhino about suggestions for Nightbot, he's the one who set it up. I don't know how to fiddle with Nightbot, you know? Ryan, you guarantee the Dutch were already there, just left? This is good, Ariel. We've got Jupiter, Mars, and Uranus. I like it. I've always liked the idea of using like old sailing ships, Spanish galleons, whatever, to sail through space. We had a short about that. It's one of an old comic of mine where Britain colonizes the Death Star by just sailing through space and planting a flag on it. I forget what it was called. I think some of you guys probably remember it. It was from a couple months ago. That original comic is like 12 years old, 11 years old, something like that. All right, so this was Ariel. Ariel, good job. Next, ASJW Federation, who I believe has entered every single contest. Maybe missed 1 or 2 here. ASJW Federation, Drew Earth and the sun. I can't tell who this is in the spacesuit. This is really good. I like it. Very simple, cartoony. Oh, these are all the terrestrial planets? Okay, so we've got Earth, Mercury, Venus, and this is Mars. And then who's in the spacesuit? Oh, that's your OC? Okay. So this is AHAW Federation's Balsona. This is really cool. I like it. Really solid, simple drawing. I like it. Great job, AHAW Federation. Next. Ask Me Again 44. Oh, I see. Okay. I didn't notice this when I downloaded this. I thought this was just Poland in space, but you can see the green screen behind him. It's tearing or whatever. Yeah, green screen. Clever. I like it. I really like the image of Poland being in front of a green screen, pretending he's in space. Oldest country ball memes. Yeah, Poland get out into space is one of the oldest Poland ball specific tropes. Egg Stealer General. I'm not sure if I have your entry. I don't see it. Unless your name on Discord is something different from Egg Stealer General. Could you send it to me in Discord? I want to make sure I don't miss it. I do? Did you change your name? Oh, Lithuania's... Okay. I gotcha. Yeah, I actually have 2 entries from you. Will my Micronation Country Ball ever be able into space? Question for Polandball. If you've got a space program, anything's possible. One second. I saw one late entry that I want to add. Danskio. Let me add Danskio. Remember, you can vote for 32. Vote for 32 people. All right, so this was Ask Me Again 44. Simple. I like it. Good job. Next, we have Asteroid. Asteroid. Amazing entry, as always. I love seeing your work. I love seeing everybody's work. This is really cool. I love the background here. This is excellent. The use of lighting on this art piece is fantastic. Yeah, this is genuinely gorgeous. I love this. This is Asteroid. I love just the blue tint to everything. It's super cool. The way you did the ring around this planet here, excellent. The lighting here on these... what are these? The Pleiades? 7 Sisters? Excellent. You guys all say you're cooked. This had some of the best art of any contest. There were a lot of absolutely amazing entries. What planets are those? I think these are fictional planets. Is Asteroid in chat? Holy Roman Mapping, thank you for the donation. That's very kind of you. We appreciate your support of our channel. If anybody else would like to support the channel, you can join as a member for $4.99 a month. You get access to emojis in chat, like Brazil butt. And you get a little badge next to your name. This is great, Asteroid. I love it. I also like that the Canadian space shuttle is called Beaver. Really cool. Great job, Asteroid. This is excellent. Next, we have August. Another amazing entry. This is super cool. I love that it looks like it's hand-drawn. Poland dreaming about being in space. Really cool. I love this. This is really cute. Poland, I like his blanket. I want a blanket like that. It's got a little alien plushie. This is so cool. This is August. August, I saw you were in chat too. This is so cool. Great job, man. Yoda Frenchie and Axel Kitsch, how's it going? Thanks for joining. Raid Animations, welcome. Yeah, this is fantastic, August. I love it. I love the art style. I love the concept, and I love the blanket and the plushies. This is so cool. Great job. Remember to go to the straw poll. Vote for your favorite 32 entries. This was August. Next, we have Bloonish. Bloonish, super cool entry. We've got a black hole. And Bloonish, I don't know if you're in chat, but I can't quite tell who this is. Is that supposed to be the German flag? This is really cool. Black holes are so cool. Absolutely terrifying. Ultimate power in the universe. Black hole. Pyro, I do have your entry, yes. This is Germany? Okay. This is so cool. Do you guys remember maybe like 6 or 7 years ago when we got that first real image of a black hole? And it basically exactly fit predictions from like 50 years ago about what a black hole would actually look like. Yeah, I think it was M87. They're so cool, man. I love this. I've never thought of making a black hole in a Polandball comic. I love how you did it. This was Bloonish. Sinister Sri Lankan, I do have your entry, yes. Yeah, this is excellent, Bloonish. Great job. Next, we have Chillin'. Chillin', we have Hawaii looking at the night sky. Very cool. Oh, it's M87 and Sagittarius A-star? Yeah, we have a couple of photos of black holes now, but I think that first one was M87. It's hard to be wrong about a black hole looking like a black hole. I mean, sure, yeah. Past the event horizon, it's just a black hole, literally, right? But the accretion disk around the black hole is all that superheated material. That's what makes it look like that ring. And because the gravity of a black hole is so immense, it warps the light around it. That's why it sort of looks like it's mirrored behind it. I'm probably not doing a great job of explaining it, but black holes are super cool. This is Chillin'. We've got Hawaii looking at the night sky. Solid entry. Next, we have Colt. Monaco in Space, coming 2025. Very cool. It's movie sound sold separately. I like that Monaco is misspelled. I don't know if that's intentional. We've got Monaco in Space. The great What's the demonym for people from Monaco? Is it like Monegasque or something, right? The Monegasque space program. Could you imagine? Monaco is the size of like, it's like 10 square kilometers or something, right? Could you imagine if half of that was just a spaceport? Half the country is a spaceport. Monegasque, yeah. I think they're called Monegasque. This is good, Colt. Simple. I like it. Monaco in space. Next, we have Cool Kirby. This is cool. All right. Good meme reference. Wait, so it's all a rectangle? Always has been? Hello, Frank Reich. I like this. I like the Vatican in the constellation. Big Dipper. Pac-Man. With the sun, we've got a space shuttle. Oh, there's someone in the Big Dipper. That's funny. Can't quite tell what that is. Anything more up here? Got eyes. This is great. Great job, Cool Kirby. Vidyutin Yadvik, new subscriber. Awesome. Thank you so much for subscribing. We appreciate it. We're glad you like our stuff. Welcome to the stream. We do regular art contests about every week, every other week. But yeah, just refrain from spamming in chat. Remember, you can vote for your favorite 32 entries. It's the pinned message in chat. And also occasionally put it in chat. This is Cool Kirby. I think this is Cool Kirby's first entry. Great job, Cool Kirby. I like it. Next, we have Corvin Officer with the Nordic countries in space. I love this. Corvin Officer, you are also one of those artists that I have noticed has improved over the past couple of contests. This is great art. This is easily your best piece so far. That guy just subscribed and got killed for spamming. Yeah, this is Corvin Officer. This is great. I love how you did the background. Really, really well done. We've got a black hole here, a star here, and then we've got the Nordic country. I like Sweden and Denmark fighting. I like how even in space, Finland is drunk. This is really good. Great job, Corvin Officer. I love this. Next, we have Dareth. This is a great entry. Whoops. This is Dareth. We've got Britain on Mars. We've got the Sun, Saturn, some moons, Uranus and Neptune, Soviet Union, United States, India, France. I think there's China. Can't tell. Maybe Philippines? Is that Madagascar? Can Madagascar into space? This planet was made in China, apparently. Oh, yeah, this planet. Ancient Chinese clay. Oh, that was UAE. Okay. Denmark throwing Legos into space. Poland. East and West Germany reunited. Austria, Italy, Hungary, Ukraine, Romania, Sweden. This is funny. I like that you put Australia on the southern hemisphere of the moon. Upside down. Turkmenistan and I think that's Uzbekistan, right? Flying on a magic carpet through space. This is really cool. I like all the little references in here. And there's your signature. Dareth. Great job, Dareth. This is super cool. This looks like the Kazakh eagle. Oh, that's what you did. Okay. So the sun is the Kazakh flag. Right? That's great. This is super clever. Really great job. This is Dareth. Remember, vote for your favorite 32 entries. Ferdinand K-Dog, how's it going? Oh yeah. Conrad, good point. Conrad noticed this. I didn't notice this. The Southern Cross is also next to Australia. Clever. This is really cool. Great job, Dareth. Next, we have Dawn of the Chance with Spain, and I think this is probably Venus. Pretty solid. Why does Spain have stars for eyes? That's the only question I have about this, otherwise it's fine. Refrain from using eyelashes, because eyelashes are hair. So in Polandball and Planetball, no hair on balls. Oh, he's probably starstruck? Okay, fair enough. Very cool, I like it. This kind of looks like a light bulb, you know? This is Dawn of the Chance. Good job. Next, we have Deadly Country Ball with a solid cartoony entry. We've got the US, an alien, Poland, the rocket exploded. Earth, Moon, France in a rocket, and a NASA ball. That's cool. I don't think I've seen a NASA ball before. Side note, I love the NASA meatball logo. I think it's super cool. This is a great rocket. I'm a big fan of like the very simple cartoony rockets. Same thing here. I think there are eyelashes on France. No hair on balls. Only hairless balls here. Yo, I am happy. How to join? You can join our Discord. I'll put it in chat. Discord.gg/PolandballOfficial. That's where we organize our events. So people submit their contest entries there. Most of them. And then some people email them to me. You like eyelashes because you're a girl? That's totally fine, but in Polandball there's no hair whatsoever, so... No eyelashes, no mustaches, no hair on the head, nothing like that. Wong Benny, thanks for joining. This is good. This is Deadly Country Ball. Good job. Here, let's close some of these. Reclaim some space. Next, we have Deadly Sledgehammer. I always confuse you two because you have very similar names. This is great. I love this art style. This reminds me of like a 2D side-scroller game, you know? Like a SNES game. Polandball is strict? Yes. We are strict in order to maintain high-quality content. This is cool. I really like this. Very simple, Soviet Union, an exploding planet or moon or something. Yeah, it looks like a Flash game, exactly. Oh, it reminds you of Red Ball? What is Red Ball? Move your ball as you stay alive, make it past obstacles in this platformer. Can you guide Red Ball to the goal? This is cool. I like the use of purple and pink. In Soviet Russia, if you don't collapse, the rest of the world does. I like this this streak of light on the helmet. Very cool. I really like this. This is Deadly Sledgehammer. Great job. Banana Man, have I seen yours? Yes. We're going mostly in alphabetical order. Next, we have Dorito Pour and who else was? This is Dorito Pour and Dutchie collaborated on this. All right, let's take a look. We've got the U.S. in a spacesuit / hazmat suit or something. An alien bug stealing part of his spaceship. A stop sign. And then a cube. This looks like a Minecraft cube. I really like this art style. This is really cool. Lethal Company reference? What's that? Lethal Company. It's an upcoming cooperative survival horror video game. This one is Dorito Pour and Dutchie. The bug is a Lethal Company reference. Oh, okay, yeah, I just did a Google search. Image search. That's cool. I like it. It's a well-drawn bug. Imperitus gifted 1 Polandball official membership. Frenchball was gifted membership by Imperitus. Imperitus, thank you. Frenchball, make sure you thank Imperitus for gifting a membership. If you would also like to support our channel, you can join as a member, get access to emojis and a little badge next to your name. That badge changes over time the longer you are subscribed. We appreciate any support you guys give us. Super cool. Thank you, Imperitus. So this is Dorito Pour and Dutchie collaboration. Very good. Next, we have 2 entries by Duck Go Quack. I don't know which one was their actual entry. I think this was the more recent one, so I'll go with this one, but let's take a look. I don't know if Duck Go Quack is in chat, but this was their first entry. Netherlands getting into space by using Venezuela as a balloon because of inflation. And is this Zimbabwe? Yeah. Oh, okay. Zimbabwe also, yeah, because of hyperinflation. And I think that's me. Sup, y'all? Sorry for being 7 hours late. Oops. Use Klein. This is cool. But we'll go with this one for Duck Go Quack. This is Duck Go Quack's entry. We have Philippines pretending to be in space. And what is this? Lithuania, Sudan, Germany and Sweden. Oopsies. Putang Inamo, Gago Ka. No idea what that means. So if I just said something offensive in Tagalog, I apologize. Let's see. Oh, this is your mom is stupid. This is good. Great job. This is Duck Go Quack. Gago is a swear word. No idea how to even pronounce it. How do you submit? You can submit entries into future contests in our Discord. Discord.gg/PolandballOfficial. Those are swear words. Is Putang like horror or something? It says but. Google Translate. Alright, this was Duck Go Quack. Great job. Next, Earth SOSC. I saw you in chat as well. Very cool. We have... Oh, these are the dwarf planets. I love it. Okay. So we have Pluto on the left. Haumea in the middle. Or not middle. Well, I guess it is in the middle, yeah. Third, I want to say this is Eris. Is this Eris? And then the one on the right, I'm not sure. Oh, okay. So the third one is Make Make, and the fourth one is Eris. Okay. I don't know much about Make Make, but Pluto, former planet. I think dwarf planets should be considered planets. That's my hot take. But here's Pluto. I think you guys know what Pluto looks like since the New Horizons mission went there about 9 years ago. Haumea is a dwarf planet farther out from the sun than Pluto. It spins on its axis once every 4 hours, so it's shaped like an egg. Because it spins so quickly, it's what's the word? It's sort of stretched. And it's believed that it has a tenuous ring system, and I think it has a couple of moons. This is one of the strangest dwarf planets that we know of. Haumea. Makemake, I don't really know anything about. Eris is the largest dwarf planet by radius. But Pluto is slightly more massive. So Eris and Pluto both can make claims to being the largest dwarf planet. Very cool. This is Earth SOSC. I didn't even notice what countries we have in this rocket. This is Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and is this Tajikistan? Central Asia get into space. Super cool. Makemake is the moon of Jupiter. No, Makemake is a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt. Snapdragon, how's it going? That's Egypt behind the flame? No, these are Central Asian countries. I'm pretty sure this is Tajikistan. And then you have Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan in the rocket itself. Great job. This is Earth SOSC. Yeah, it is Tajikistan being burnt. Next, we have Edict of Worms. Awesome entry. I love this art. This is super cool. Very clean. We've got the Baltic states into space. Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. I love this so much. I like the purple clouds. I like how the clouds are sort of like on top of the planet. Great rocket. Cool satellite. This is really great. This is Edict of Worms. I'll put the straw poll in chat again. You can vote for your favorite 32. It's also the pinned message in chat. Shameless plug to like the stream if you've not done so. This is great. This is Edict of Worms. Great job. Next, we have European Union. European Union sent me like 20 images, so I chose my favorite. European Union. This is fucking awesome. I love this. Excellently drawn, as always. This is really, really good. I love this rocket. Spacecraft. Great job, European Union. What flag is this? Is this one of the Soviet republics? Or is this just supposed to be the Soviet Union? Is this the Vostok spacecraft? That was the first one, right? Or no, it was the Vostok rocket. That was the first rocket to send people in space, right? That's what Yuri Gagarin wrote on. Right? No, Vostok is what launched Sputnik. And then, what was the rocket Yuri Gagarin went into space on? Salyut? Let me see. The name... Okay, Vostok 1 was the name of the mission that sent Yuri Gagarin into space. It's a Vostok 3KA space capsule. Oh, okay, so this is... It's a reference to Vostok 1. Super cool. First man in space. First person in space. Yuri Gagarin. I love it. Excellent. This is European Union. Great job. Excellent work. Next, we have Flishki. I think this is Flishki's first entry. Super strong first entry. This is incredible artwork. Planet Xbox, I think is what they called it. So we have Kyrgyzstan as a planet. And then this other Central Asian states. So Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, a lander, and then Turkmenistan flying in a rocket around it. This is so cool. It looks very fuzzy. This is really cool. This is a very unique art style. I love it. Great job. This is Flishki. Central Asia is getting a lot of love today. Yeah, it is. Xbox Planet. I think that's what they called it. I love the Kyrgyzstan flag. It is the it's the flag of Xbox. This is a great job, Flishki. I absolutely love this. This is excellent. This would make a good phone wallpaper. You have to write dimensions for it. Super cool. European Union, can I show you your other entries after stream? I will try to. I don't know how much time I have, but I will try to. Next, we have French ball with the US in space. This is really cool. I like the use of color. Really solid. And the lighting on the spacesuit. Really cool. This is French ball. Great job. Remember to vote in the straw poll for your favorite 32 entries. We're, I don't know, maybe like a third of the way through. Should speed up a little bit. All right, French ball. Great job. Next, we have Fritzo. Fritzo is cooking you guys alive. This is amazing. You guys are all screwed now. This is Fritzo's entry. I think this is only the second contest Fritzo has entered. I think the last contest was Fritzo's first entry, and it was amazing and made it to the finals, right? Tiz Tozerello just joined the Discord server. Feeling good? Welcome. Got a lot of art. We've got a great little community in our Discord. Yeah, Fritzo dropped a nuke. You guys are cooked. This is amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's take a look. We've got, I think, Russia. And then just some, like, various nondescript planet balls. This sun is amazingly well drawn. I love it. A ringed planet here. Another ringed planet. And then I think this is also Russia. This is amazing. This is one of the best entries I've seen in any of our contests since we started doing these a couple months ago. Absolutely fantastic job, Fritzo. Good job. Remember to vote in the straw poll. I am periodically saying it because people come and go in stream. You can vote for 32. You don't have to vote for 32, but you can vote for up to 32. And then we'll take the top 32. And we'll do a bracket. This is great. This was Fritzo. Good job. Next, we have Froglord. Froglord? I made an exception for this one because I thought it was clever. This is Korea can into space. Korea's just on the space bar. Great job, Froglord. I like this. Very clever. It does say you have to do all 32? Oh, okay. Alright, so vote for 32 then. Maybe I can change that in the future. Is this even space? It's not, but I gave Froglord the okay because I thought it was clever. Well, yeah, worst Korea. True. Worst Korea can into spacebar. Great job, Froglord. Next, we have Gabriel 078XD. This is so cool. I think this was a last-minute entry as well. Or, not last minute, obviously you didn't make this in like 10 minutes, but just past the deadline, or right before the deadline. This is incredible. This is Gabriel 078XD. Yeah, see? I told you guys that people were making incredible artwork this week. This is fantastic. Like, I want to use this as a wallpaper, you know? Gabriel, I don't know if you're in chat or if you're gonna watch the VOD at some point of this stream, but you should absolutely turn this into a wallpaper, desktop wallpaper, 1920 by 1080 pixels. I would absolutely use this as a wallpaper. Incredible. This is Gabriel 078XD. Next, we have George Washington. He's back and he's making Polandball art. Close some of these. George Washington. Another incredible piece. I told you guys. This is some of the best artwork I've seen. Look at this. The individual planetary systems. This is so good. A bunch of gas giants, ringed planets. There's me. Cool flag. And then the star. The star is so well done. Like, look at the lighting. The lighting on all the planets as they're facing the sun. That's so good. So here's our Earth analog, right? Because it's this looks like the Earth and it's got a moon, but then all the other planets I think are sort of just fictional. This is so good. This is George Washington. This would make an amazing wallpaper. Yes. To any of you who want to turn your stuff into wallpapers, you should do it. Some of these I would genuinely use. Let's see. And then this asteroid belt is really well done. Grant, how do I pronounce my name? Coli. Like E. coli. This is excellent. Great job, George Washington. I love it. Next, Geo United with Russia in space. Red Commie Club. Go watch Red Commie Club many times. What else have we got here? Is this Algeria? US, can't tell what this one is. Jamaica, maybe Panama. Germany, China. I think that's Taiwan. This one I can't tell. Britain in his little boat. Rectangle, I think that's the Netherlands to the left. Australia, Czech Republic, Belgium. Can't tell what that one is. Maybe France? Texas. Polandball official. Oh, that's the thumbnail. That's cool. Maybe... I don't know what this one is. And Switzerland. Japan. Best Korea and worst Korea. This is super cool. Great job. This is Geo United. Geo United. Next, we have a collaboration. Gold Bacon and Bulgaria. Excellent entry. We've got the Soviet Union, and this is one of the Soviet space stations, right? Wasn't it the Salyut space station? The one that preceded Mir? This is Gold Bacon and Bulgaria. Excellent work. Salyut 1, I think, and then a Soyuz. So this is the Soyuz, and then this is Salyut 1. First space station. Am I from Poland? No, I'm from the United States. These are really well done stars. I like, here, take a look at this, chat. Look at how these stars were done. 3 different pixels. Or 3 different colors, and then overlaid over each other. Really, really clever. I really like how you did it. Gold Bacon and Bulgaria. Excellent entry. Oh, it's a filter? Well, it's cool regardless. So this is Gold Bacon and Bulgaria. Remember, vote for your favorite 32. Next, we have GS. Let's take a look. We've got, is this Micronesia? Or I think it's Micronesia. Yeah, this is Micronesia, looking at the stars, the night sky. Found the same pattern. Nice and simple. Yeah, I like this too, Mishi. This is great. This is GS. Good job, GS. Micronesia can into space. Well, he can stargaze. Good job, GS. Next, we have Hemicat 2020 with Poland dreaming that he can into space. Solid. It's a well-drawn bed. I like that. This is really cool. I like this spacesuit. Carding rules, where's your entry? What name did you use? Did you post it in Discord? I should have gotten it if it was in Discord. Oh, Starly? Yeah, I have yours. We're going mostly alphabetical. Yeah, it looks like maybe there was line tool used on the bed post. Not a huge deal, but generally you don't want to use line tool, you know. This is Hemicat 2020. Good job. Next, we have Huevos. Another amazing entry, Huevos. So Norway has made it to Mars before Britain. I call this White Land. Damn it. Poland, fricks you, wants to be into space. This is really well done. Very well drawn Mars. Very funny. I like it. Sky Animation, how's it going? Prussia Ball, welcome back. Really good job. Yeah, a lot of people made British Space Empire. Really cool. This is Huevos. Remember, vote for your favorite 32 entries. Next, we have I Like Birds. I Like Birds is about to get hit by a comet. Or an asteroid. That's funny. It looks like there's a little bit of anti-aliasing here. Or maybe that's, maybe you did that on purpose. No, that looks like anti-aliasing. No, actually I'm not sure on the telescope. This looks like a cookie. Maybe a moldy cookie. Don't eat it. I Like Birds. This is I Like Birds. Good entry. Next, we have I Am Just Here with India in space. ISRO. India Space Research Organization. Solar Balls. Solar Balls is another YouTube channel that does Planet Ball content. Well, not quite Planet Ball, but you get the idea. So we've got Jupiter and the Galilean moons. The 4 Galilean moons. Let's see if we can name them. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. It is larger than Mercury. I think this is Callisto, which is the farthest from Jupiter of the 4 Galilean moons. Here's Io. Io is the most volcanic body in the solar system. And then I believe this one is Europa. Europa is an icy moon with a subsurface liquid water ocean. One of the best locations to look for life elsewhere in our solar system. The European Space Agency sent, I think last year, a spacecraft that is going to study Europa and Ganymede called the Jupiter Icy Moons Orbiter or something like that. JUICE. Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, something like that. It's going to do some flybys of Europa and then it'll eventually settle into an orbit around Ganymede for a number of years. And then NASA is supposed to launch Europa Clipper sometime in the next couple of weeks. It was originally supposed to launch on Thursday, a couple days ago, but Hurricane Milton just ravaged central Florida, so they weren't able to launch it. So Europa Clipper is going to be NASA's mission to do something like 39 flybys of Europa. And that's going to launch sometime in the next couple of weeks. This is great. This is I Am Just Here. I absolutely love how you did this. The green, blue, pink sort of dust behind Jupiter. Excellent. Really great job. I Am Just Here. Next, we have I'm Not Checking and Michael Najik. But I have to save it as a PNG. 1 second. Alright, let's try this again. I'm Not Checking and Michael Najik. God damn, this is good. This is so good. Yeah, PNG. No, PNGs are good. Don't make me say PNGs are bad. This is great. I'm Not Checking Michael Najik. We've got the UK in space. I like how he has his top hat above his spacesuit. I love Polandball physics. It doesn't make any sense. It's Najik. We might as well just let you win and go home. This is really well drawn. The alien being squeezed by the lasso. Everything about this is great. What else is there to say? You guys did a great job. Michael Najik and I'm Not Checking. Absolutely fantastic artwork. If you guys didn't post this to r/Polandball art, you should do it. Zoom in on the bottom right. What is this thing called? What is that meme called? I've seen this before. This is Quiet Coyote, right? But what this meme image? It's called Dog. Tiz, you might join one of these contests one day. You absolutely should. We have a ton of people from all over the world at different points in their art journey submit contest entries. It's fun to share your art with people. This is great. I'm Not Checking in Michael Najik. Absolutely fantastic. As always. Next, we have Italy. With a very simple Italy suspended in space. I love it. Very simple. Super cool. The power of dog and Polandball shall rise. This is Italy. Italy, great job. Remember to vote for your favorite 32 entries. Really well done stars here. This background is fantastic. I also like, I like when the balls have tiny eyes like these, and they're sort of like spread far apart from each other. I don't draw them like that, but I like when other people do. This is really good. Good job, Italy. Next, Jensen Gamers, YT. Oops. Hold on, let's close some of these. Jensen Gamers, YT. We've got Turkey, Estonia, Latvia, Poland. Is this, oh god, I can never remember which one is Qatar and which one is Bahrain. I think this is Bahrain. Bahrain has the, no, Qatar. This is Qatar. Qatar is the darker red, right? Denmark and Netherlands. Is that Netherlands? Yeah. A map of the world. And this is me. Is that a McDonald's logo? I thought it was okay, how do you guys pronounce it? Because I originally pronounced it Qatar, but when they hosted the World Cup a number of years ago, everyone called it Qatar. Okay, so so it's Qatar. Qatar. It's an M for Macaulay. Good job. This is Jensen Gamers YT. Next, we have Kayla2 and Imperitus with another collaboration. Really cool. Let's take a look. Very well done, Earth and Moon. Japan as a Japan's Catgirl spacesuit. Italy and France. I like how you did these spacesuits. Russia, US, Canada. You stranded us. No, it was you. ISS. I like how this is the space station. It's just a rocket. Really well done. Great job. This is Kayla2 and Imperitus. Simple but well done. Yep. Among Us, top left corner. I can't see. Is there? I don't see one. Do you guys see one? I don't see one. Anyway, Kayla2 and Imperitus, great job. Remember, vote for your favorite 32. Go to the pinned message in the straw poll. Oh, it was the last one? Oh, here's the Among Us. Okay, on Jensen Gamers YT. Next, we have Egg Stealer General / Lithuania. Lithuania 2. We have Poland and rectangle behind this homemade cardboard rocket ship. Right? These are cardboard boxes stacked on top of each other. Is that right? Lithuania. I like this art style. Cartoony. Really well done. This is Lithuania. Next, we have Malik. Malik drew just planet balls. I like it. So we've got Saturn, Saturn's largest moon, Titan, which is the only moon in the solar system with an atmosphere. Titan, if any of you have never learned anything about Titan, go read about it on Wikipedia. Titan is the weirdest world in our solar system. After Earth, right? Earth is definitely the most different from everything else, but Titan is really strange. Titan has liquid methane lakes and rivers. It's thought that it has a subsurface liquid water ocean as well, and it has a methane and nitrogen atmosphere. Mostly nitrogen and a little bit of methane. And then I'm not sure what these two are. And then I think this one is Enceladus. Enceladus is a tiny moon of Saturn. Icy moon. It's smaller than the island of Great Britain. Oh, it's the 4 biggest moons of Saturn? Oh, okay. So then this isn't Enceladus then. It's what? It's Titan, Mimas, Rhea, and Dione. Malik? Let me see. No, okay, so it's Titan, Rhea, Iapetus, and Dione. Iapetus is a cool moon. Its 2 hemispheres are very different. Different colors. Really cool. Great job, Malik. This is Malik. Next, we have Marble, one of our great community moderators. Very simple. US on the moon. Love it. Iapetus is such a cool name. I agree. I think Iapetus is a badass name. Like I'd like to get a dog at some point, and I would give it some kind of celestial name. Iapetus is a lot of syllables, though, for a pet. Dog, yeah. This is Marble. Great job, Marble. Next, we have Mark, and there are 5 Among Us hidden somewhere in here. Mark, fantastic entry. I love how you did the lights on the Earth, as well as the stars. And the sun rising over the horizon. Super cool. Is this an Among Us? I don't think so. He said there was 5 hidden here. I don't know that I'm going to be able to find all 5. This is super cool. Have I ever played guitar? I learned a little bit of guitar when I was a kid. I'm not musically oriented. That's a chicken scuttle monkey thing. He's our resident musician. All the music that you're hearing on stream was made by Chicken Scuttle Monkey. He also sang 2 Days in Belgium and Red Commie Club. Trying to find one of the Among Us. I don't know. Hard to find. Do you guys see any? To see him use FL Studio? I don't know. But, alright, anyway, this is Mark. Mark, great job. Next, we have Mishi. Excellent entry. We've got India and China. I love how you did the stars here. This star field is super cool. Where you have like the shaped stars, you've got crosses, you've got dots, different colors. One shooting star here, another shooting star here. Ink. This is really cool. I really like this, Mishi. Great job. Really, really cool. Remember to vote for your favorite 32 in the straw poll. It's also the pinned message in chat. China versus India. This is really great. I love how everyone made the rocket ships look like this. You like the color palette and the temperature? Yeah, I do too. Very cool. This is Mishi. Great job, Mishi. Great entry as always. Next, we have MVP is taken. I think this is their first entry. Very strong first entry. We've got Pakistan and China. Oh no, does China... Why does China have eyes like this? Is that a pupil? No. Is it? And is this... Is that a mouth? Eyebrows and a pupil? No. Tell me you didn't do that. And the asteroids are cool, and the black hole is cool. I like the spacecraft, but... if this is a pupil and eyebrows and a mouth, that is no bueno in Polandball. No pupils. No hair. No mouths. Not in Polandball. Other country ball content, you can do that. Not in Polandball. Otherwise, this is a great entry. Just don't do that. Military Government of Fishistan, you just watched China's Final Warning. It's really good. Excellent. Thank you. That took like 10 minutes to make. It was really quick. I did that yesterday when I got home. This is great. Great job. MVP is taken. Other than those few rule breaks. I think the rest of it is really good. Next, we have Nona Nelson, who's entered a number of contests. This is, I think they said it was inspired by The Expanse, which is a TV show / book series. This is Earth and Mars, I think. And Mars is attacking Earth with asteroids. The Expanse is really good. You guys should watch it. If you like sci-fi, you'll like The Expanse. I did not like how it ended. I will say that. I thought the ending was bad. Season 3, 4, and 5 I thought were the best, probably. I forget the name of the actress who plays the UN Secretary General. I think she's Pakistani or Indian. She carries that show on her goddamn bag. She's so good. What's her name? Or no, she's I think she's Persian. What's her name? I have no idea how to pronounce it. Shora Agdashlu. Yeah, she's Iranian. She plays the UN Secretary General in The Expanse. Really, really good. Fantastic actress. Remember, vote for your favorite 32. This is Nona Nelson. Next, we have Newbie. Newbie, amazing entry. I love the washed out colors here from the reflected light from the moon. This is great. Really, really good. This is Newbie. Great job, Newbie. We've got maybe 15 or 20 entries left. We can go pretty quickly. This is great. I love it. Poor Poland. I like how Lithuania is just like hanging around, you know? And a lot of these entries that have Poland like scheming to get into space, Lithuania is just there. Lithuania is like his sidekick, you know? Send the movie name in chat. It's a TV show on Amazon called The Expanse. It's really cool sci-fi. It's based on a book series, which I haven't read, but the TV show is pretty good. This is Newbie. Great job, Newbie. Next, we have Odd Greek Ball. Odd Greek Ball. Best Korea. Flying on a rocket. We've got the Soviet Union. 2 Koreas. Just a big Korea and a small Korea. The moon, sun, stars, Earth. I like it. Draw a country human now? Absolutely not. I don't personally like country humans, but it's totally fine for other people to like country humans, you know? Oh, he said the smaller one is Kim Jong-un? Okay, so there's North Korea and Kim Jong-un. Country human contest won. We should do a cancer contest. I think that'd be fun. Your Thai friend loves Best Korea? How would I react if someone said South Korea was Best Korea? Well, it's not true. This is Odd Greek Ball. Great job, Odd Greek Ball. Next, we have Penguin Empire. Penguin Empire. Drew, Soviet Union, United States. The moon. I like these stars. Very simple. I like this, Penguin Empire. Yeah, I think some of the stars are copy and paste. That's totally fine. I do that too. When you're drawing backgrounds in Polandball and Planetball, you can copy and paste backgrounds. As long as it's not, like, really egregious, you know? So copy and pasting stars for a star field is totally fine. Shameless plug to like the stream if you have not done so already. We appreciate it. And vote for your favorite 32 in the straw poll. This is Penguin Empire. Next, we have Pyro. Pyro drew the Netherlands and Jamaica smoking it in space. Germany and Poland. This is a great, really well drawn Earth. Look at how fat Italy is, though. Fat Italy. Really cool. This is great. I love the purple for the dust. This is Pyro. Great job, Pyro. Oh, okay, yeah. They're in space because they're high. I get it. Germany isn't allowing Poland into space. Germany's doing God's work. Antigua, how's it going? Obese Italy. This is really good. Great job, Pyro. Next, we have RJ. Whoops. Close some of these. RJ drew Cuba into space. I like it. This looks like a ball of yarn. The asteroid. Cuba into space. I would just, next time, be sure to sort of clean up this sort of, these little errors. Not a huge deal. And then, this doesn't look like a hand-drawn star. But other than that, this is totally fine. Cuba into space. Oh, Pyro, you wanted me to look at Florida? All right, let me go back for a second. Oh, is this the hurricane? Florida's big here too. And then what is this called? The Delmarva Peninsula? Yeah, Delmarva. The Delmarva Peninsula is split among Virginia, Delaware, and Maryland. And it's really large here. New Jersey, Long Island, and then the Cape. Anyway, going back. This is RJ's. Cuba can into space. I like it. Good job, RJ. Why is North Korea best Korea and South Korea worst Korea? It's just a meme. I think the idea is that all like the North Korean propaganda is super over the top. So it's just a meme. Next, we have Samuel. I really like this stupid astronaut game reference. I like that the soy jack and the troll face were redrawn for this as well. This is great. This is Samuel. How many entries are left? There's like 10 or 12, 15 or 20, actually, after this. Samuel, Nepal in an Among Us spacesuit. I love this. I do like meme entries, personally. The, oh god. This is my favorite Wojak meme, are the soy jack. The two soy jacks pointing. The same picture was in last stream? Oh, maybe Dick Rhino showed this on stream. This is super cool. Good job, Samuel. Next, we have Scottster. Scottster drew Soviet Union in a spacesuit. Very simple. I like it. Very cool. This is Scottster. Next, we have Seaborgium. Seaborgium had 3 entries, so I'm going to choose my favorite, which is the first one. Seaborgium drew the solar system, but did say that they used a circle tool for the balls, which is no good. Don't do that. But these are very well drawn. But there's a lot of like advanced effects. It doesn't look like something that was drawn in MS Paint, right? The one of the main rules in Polandball is that any sort of artwork or comics that you make, they have to look like they could conceivably be drawn in MS Paint. But this is really, really cool. I love how you did the atmospheres, right? Uranus and Neptune. Because the rings look like this is a photo. It doesn't look like it was hand-drawn. Maybe I'm wrong, but it looks like a lot of advanced tools were used here. But it is gorgeous. This is Seaborgium. I just like the name Seaborgium. Yeah, it's a cool name too. But this is good. Great job, Seaborgium. Just no advanced tools in the future. Next, we have Simply PB See, this is what I mentioned. It's all of these harebrained schemes that Poland has to pretend he's into space. Lithuania is just there, helping out, you know? And the rocket is Kazakhstan with Singapore taped to the end of it. Just a picture of Czechia on the wall. This is cool. This is simply PB. Good job. Very funny. Next, Smokey. Excellent. I love Smokey's art style, personally. This is really cool. Let's take a look at everything that we've got going on here. First, we have the Soviet Union and the United States racing to the moon. On the moon, we have the UK has already been here, planted a flag, surrounded by the natives. Brazil, the rocket says made in China. Poland stuck on Earth. We've got an X-Wing and a Death Star. Love it. That's a good X-Wing. UFO. A new Yoinkies hat. Somalia and Sealand. Oh, this is the ship from, this is the Odyssey from 2001, right? Is that what? No, it's called, is it Discovery? Right? Discovery 1 is the name of the spaceship in 2001. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, is this oh, that's an Among Us. It's just turned 90 degrees. Sputnik. Estonia. This is really cool. This is Smokey. Great job, Smokey. I really like it. Remember to vote for your favorite 32 entries. The pinned message in chat. Really cool. Great job, Smokey. Next, we have Sinister Sri Lankan. Very cool. This is based on For All Mankind. It's a alternate history show on Apple TV. Or what happened if the space race never ended. So it starts with the first man on space being Alexei Leonov, who in the real timeline, I believe, was the first person to do a spacewalk. Alexei Leonov. I think was the second person in space. So in the show, it starts with Alexei Leonov being the first man to step on the moon. The Soviets beat the US to the moon. The first season of For All Mankind was great. And then it went rapidly downhill. Like, the first season was sort of somewhat realistic. Like, I could buy it, you know? Season 2 was bad. Season 3 was worse. Season 4 I haven't finished because it's just even worse. Great job, Sinister Sri Lankan. This is the, I forget the name of the lunar lander that they created. Bajeria, member for 1 month. Thank you for re-upping your membership, Bajeria. Polski tier, hell yeah. How's it going, Bajeria? Great entry, by the way. Sinister Sri Lankan, good job. Next, we have Spoopy Manliker. Rectangle was not the imposter. Oh, okay. Among Us reference. I like it. This is cool. Really, really cool. Black hole. This is Spoopy Manliker. Really great job. Rectangle was the imposter, though. Great shading and lighting here. I love all the different colors. Spoopy Manliker. Great job. Next, Square Up Tune. This is Valentina Tereshkova. Right? Am I pronouncing her name correctly? Valentina Tereshkova is the first woman in space. Soviet cosmonaut. I think she's a member of the Russian Duma. I think she's kind of crazy now. But first woman in space. This is great, Square Up Tune. Ines, hello, I'm from Albania. Can you do a video of Albania, please? Yes. I think we have Albania in 1 or 2 shorts. Marble, was your entry shown? It was, yes. This is a really good square up tune. I really like it. This is it's a famous photo. A recreation of a famous photo, I believe. I'm trying to find it. I don't think I'm making that up. But yeah, first woman in space, Soviet cosmonaut, Valentina Tereshkova. Very cool. Great job, Square Neptune. Next, we have Star Chart. Star Chart drew the Soviet Union on the surface of Venus. The only photos we have from the surface of Venus are from the Venera spacecraft that were sent by the Soviet Union. They only lasted for a couple of hours before they melted. Because the surface of Venus is so goddamn hot. It's like 400 degrees Celsius or something. And the pressure, it has such a thick atmosphere. It's like 100 or 80 times thicker than the Earth's atmosphere. So being on the surface of Venus is like being under a kilometer of water or something. Maybe more. This is really cool. This is what Venus looks like on the surface. It's very yellow. Is this how Soviet Russia collapsed? Yeah. This entry is Star Charts. Great job, Star Chart. I really like this. Next, we have Starly. Very cool. We have another Poland in front of a fake space banner in a cardboard box with this plunger. But this time it's Hungary instead of Lithuania helping him out. Great job, Starly. I like this art style. Very cartoony. Not dissimilar from something I would draw. This is Starly. Next, we have Taco Turkey. This is the Aboriginal flag, right? Yes. Okay, so this is the Aboriginal flag, and these are constellations. I really like this. This is cool. Is this an emu? Very cool. Taco Turkey. Great job, Taco Turkey. Next, Takeshi. Got the US on the moon. And Germany in the background for some reason. A lot of little mountains. Solid. Simple. This is Takeshi. Next, that one, underscore BT-7. Poland, almost. Oh, and then the rocket breaks apart. That's so sad. Poor Poland. Can never into space. I like it. Very classic Polandball feel to this one. Good job. This is that one, underscore BT-7. Very cool. We've got about 10 entries left. Next, we have the big fish. I have to resave it. 1 second. The big fish. Soviet Union on Mars. Very cool. Great lighting here. This is really well drawn. I really like this. This is the big fish. Remember to vote for your favorite 32 in the straw poll. Great job. I like the one on the left, the eyes sort of far apart. It's funny. Also, side note, I really like how you drew the hammer and sickle. Just very simple. I think I might adopt that in the future. That's cool. As I think the Soviet flag is a cool looking flag, but I hate drawing the hammer and sickle because I feel like I always mess it up. So I really like how you did this stylized Hammer and sickle. Very cool. This is the big fish. Good job. Next, we have the Waiter of Gogma. Japan. On a comet. Or an asteroid. I like it. Very simple, very cartoony. I like the purple shading on Japan. I like the eyes. This is Waiter of Gogma. Lunar Battle, how's it going? Once again, shamelessly asking you to drop a like on the stream if you have not done so already. The drawing feels like the background song right now. True. Kawaii eyes. This is Waiter of Gogma. Great job. Very simple, cartoony, very clean. Crisp. Next, the Endcraft. Oh, poor Poland. I always feel bad. He's just supposed to go into space. This guy's rocket. Got Mars. Well-drawn Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Really cool. The Great Red Spot, the Great Dark Spot. Got the rings. The Martian poles. This is great. Great job. This is the Endcraft. Wong Benny, it still feels like you're invisible. Not at all. It's, there's a lot of entries to go to. So, I haven't responded to every single chat message. This is the Endcraft. Good job. Next, USSR. Great entry. Love it. Not too many people did black holes. This is great. So there's Soviet Union on the accretion disk around the black hole. Really cool. This is USSR. We have 5 more entries after this. Excellent, excellent, excellent work. Good job, USSR. I thought I saw them in chat earlier. I don't know if they still are, but this is great. Hakan, hello, how's it going? Chaotic artists have to leave, you're sorry? Don't apologize. Just make sure you like the stream before you leave. Great job, USSR. Next, Vallée des Nuages. We've got another entry showing Norway on Mars first. Blueland! You've got to be kidding me. This is great. I love how so many people did like the interstellar dust clouds. Really cool. You're British? Why am I making jokes about the United Kingdom? We make jokes about every country. It's just, we know more about Britain than, you know, Eswatini. So, it's more obvious for me to to come up with jokes about Britain. This is Vallée des Nuages. Very cool. Next, we have Wisp. Wisp drew an actual comic, hand-drawn. I thought this was cool. So we've got Poland in space. And he falls from the crane. Ouch. Cut. I really like this. I appreciate it was hand-drawn. Even though, you know, Polandball is supposed to be digital art, I do like this. So this is Wisp. This is a genuinely funny comic, too. Really good job, Wisp. W-I-S-P, Wisp. Next, Yangtze Socialist Republic. We have Vietnam on the Moon. History if it was good. Very cool. Simple. I like it. Two more. Next is, and forgive me if I mispronounce this, Ukishingun. We have Indonesia on the moon, and there's a giant moon cockroach. That's fucking terrifying. It's a well-drawn cockroach, though. Indonesia into space. This is really well-drawn. This is Ukishingun. This is our second to last entry. Really great job. I really like this. The lighting on the Songguk is very good, and the rocket. Very cool. Yukishingun. And last but not least, Zingogil with this amazing entry. I love this. The US and Russia in a spacecraft. Hey, look, it's Panama. See, the Earth is split like Panama. I ain't stopping, Panama. This is Zingogil. This was the last entry. So, make sure you vote for your favorite 32 entries, and we're going to start the brackets in a few minutes. I'm going to start collecting the top 32. One, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, I think I've got all of them. Google Doc. All right, so it looks like there'll be 34 because there were a couple ties. Round of 32. Let's get those entries. Remember, this last one was Zingogil. Great job. Great entries, everybody. But now we're going to start eliminating people. So, let me pull up the entries. One second. Bear with me here. View this as, how do I view details? How do I view details? There we go. Okay. Asteroid. 4, 5. Eight, 9, 10. Sorry, it's kind of a janky way for me to collect all of the top 32. $14, $15, $16. Almost there. Almost there. $20, $21, $22. $24. $25. Almost there. I have 28. Whoops. This one, and one more. All right, okay, so we have 34. Let's start voting. We're gonna go through these quickly. Let me pull up the template. Contest template, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're just gonna vote directly in YouTube chat. And how are we gonna do this? Should we go alphabetically? No, I'm going to sort by date. Okay. First, top left, number 1. Oh man, okay. Strong entries in the very first group, but like I said, this is some of the best artwork of any contest we've had so far. We've got 4 excellent entries here. Remember, we're going to vote directly in chat. Who wins round 1? One, 2, 3, or 4. Vote, vote, vote. One second. All right, I'm going to end this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, end poll. A fairly convincing win for number 1. This is I'm Not Checking and Michael Najik. Number 2 was Gabriel07XD. Number 3 was European Union, and number 4 was Belgian Ball. Great entries. I'm Not Checking and Michael Najik will take round 1. All right. Next, we have one, 2, 3, and 4. All right, vote for your favorite. One, 2, 3, or 4. Vote for your favorite of these. Top left, we have Chillin. Top right, number 2 is Dareth. Number 3 is Odd Greek Ball, and number 4 is that one Native American artist. All right, I will end this poll in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and end poll. Another convincing win. Number 4, that's that one Native American artist. Odd Greek Ball, Dareth, and Chillin, great entries. That one Native American artist will take it. Next. One, 2, 3. So it's going to be a little bit hard to see because it's tall. And 4. Whoops. I put 44 instead of 4, but you guys know what I meant. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Number 1 is Edict of Worms. Number 2 is The Waiter of Gogma. Number 3 is The Endcraft. And number 4 is Deadly Sledgehammer. Vote for your favorite. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Ah, we've got a close one. Yeah, my 4 button on my... So my keyboard's kind of old. I've probably had it for like 6 or 7 years. Maybe a little bit longer. So the 4 button is kind of sticky. So if I press 4, it sometimes will press it twice. Alright, I'm going to end this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and end poll. This one was close, but number 1 will win with 46%. So that's Edict of Worms, number 1. Congrats, Edict of Worms. Next. It's a little smaller. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, it was almost 44 again. All right, vote for your favorite. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Number 1 is Frog Lord. Number 2 is Starly. Number 3, Deadly Country Ball. And number 4 is Duck Go Quack. Deadly Sledgehammer, thanks for entering. Great entry. Hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. All right, I'm going to end this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End poll. Number 1 will win with 45%. That's Frog Lord. Congrats, Frog Lord. Starly, Deadly Country Ball, and Duck Go Quack. Great entries. Frog Lord will take this one. Congrats, Frog Lord. Next. We're going to do nine rounds because we had a little bit more than 32. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Some strong entries here. So this is round 4. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Vote for your favorite. Number 1 is Mishi. Number 2 is Mark. Number 3 is Square Uptune. And number 4 is George Washington. Oh, people are all over on this one. I like that. All right, we've got a close race here. I am going to end it in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End poll. Number 4 will win with 37%. Number 2 was at 33%. Number 3 at 16%, and number 1 at 12%. Pretty close. Mark, very close. It was tied for a little bit there. But George Washington will take this. Number 4 will take this. Congrats, George Washington. Great entries, everybody. Next. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. All right, vote for your favorite. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Number 1 is Gold Bacon and Budgeria. Number 2 is Banana Man. Number 3 is USSR. And number 4 is Polandball. Vote for your favorite. Oh, we've got another close one. You love to see it. I will end this in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End poll. Fairly close. Number 1 will win with 44%. That is Gold Bacon and Budgeria. Number 3 had 34%. That was USSR. Number 2 had 13%. That was Banana Man. And number 4, Polandball, with 7%. Great job, everybody. A Cool Foxy, thank you for the $2 donation. You just woke up. Damn, streaming already? Yes. I unfortunately had to push the stream back by 1 day. So we're doing the contest today. Welcome, A Cool Foxy. So Gold Bacon and Budgeria will take this one. Congrats to you two. You will advance. Next, we have... Oh, man, this is a strong-ass group. Okay. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. You guys did such a cool job. It was such a great job this week. I love space, so space art was right up my alley, so thank you, Agician, for choosing this contest theme. A Cool Foxy gifted 10 Polandball official memberships. He's back, and he's cooking. Thank you, A Cool Foxy, for gifting 10 and another 10. If you got gifted a Polandball official membership by A Cool Foxy, make sure you thank him for being our greatest patron. Super generous. Thank you so much, A Cool Foxy. Chat, make sure you thank A Cool Foxy for being a real one. Alright. We're going to vote here. Who wins? 1, 2, 3, or 4. Number 1 is Ukishingun. Number 2 is Fritzo. Number 3 is Bloonish. And number 4 is Smokey. This is a power group. The Mr. Beast of Polandball. True. Cool Foxy, I think Dick Rhino mentioned to me earlier this week that you had basically earned the commission, like a free art commission. I went one further. I wrote a script for a short about you. So keep an eye out for one of our shorts will be a reference to you. We made one for Germany, if you remember, a couple weeks ago. Anthony Flores, love when you made Germany fat. Yeah, that's a funny one. We've got a close race here. Get your votes in. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Which is your favorite? Gonna end it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End poll. It looks like we have a tie between 1 and 2. So we're gonna do an instant runoff between Fritzy and Ukishingun. Bloonish and Smokey, great entries. A Cool Foxy, thank you for the $10 donation. Foxy Sharp. Alright, we're gonna do an instant runoff between these two. Vote for your favorite, 1 or 2. 1 is Ukishingun on the left, and number 2 is Fritzo on the right. Thank you for the $2 donation, A Cool Foxy. I actually think it's a pretty good short. And another $10 donation. Oh man, thank you. Cool Foxy going wild. Vote for your favorite between these two, chat. 1 or 2. Ukishingun on the left, number 1. And Fritzo on the right, number 2. Do the Dutch voice, please. Is there? Have I ever voiced the Netherlands in any of our shorts? I don't think I have. I don't know, 2 times. I don't know why though. Trigger happy. Just spamming that super chat button. Thank you, a cool Foxy. All right, I'm gonna end this one in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End poll. Very close, but number 2 will win with 55%. Fritzo, congrats. You Kishingun, this is, I think, your first entry. Amazing first entry for any contest. Hope to see more of your work in the future. Congrats on making it this far. Fritzo will advance. Congrats, Fritzo. A cool Foxy has donated 20 more Polandball official memberships. If you were so kind or so lucky as to be gifted a membership by a cool Foxy, make sure you thank him for being such a cool dude. You now get access to our emojis in chat and the comment section of our videos, as well as a little badge next to your name. That badge evolves the longer you are subscribed. So, if this is your first month being subscribed, you have a little Poland next to your name. After 2 months, it's the US. After 3 months, it's Singapore. So our first Singapore members have shown up in today's stream. Israel, please don't spam in chat. Just got nuked by Conrad. Thank you, a cool Foxy, for those 20 gifted donos, or gifted memberships. All right, we have 2 more rounds. We're going to do 2 rounds of 3. We have Cyborgium, number 1. Agician, number 2. Oh, we've got a power group here. And Invita and Sunnyflower, number 3. Make number 1 a little bit smaller. A little bit bigger. All right. This is a power group. One, 2, or 3. Vote for your favorite. Number 1 is Cyborgium. Number 2 is Agician. Number 3 is Envita and Sunnyflower. Cyborgium, I think this is their first contest entry. Agician won last contest 2 weeks ago. And Envita and Sunnyflower also won contests. So this is definitely a power group. Vote for your favorite. 1, 2, or 3. Excellent. Excellent entries, guys. Cool Foxy, 4. Big D Randy, if you need me to do a voice for you, I'll do it. We have occasionally asked members of the Polandball community to do voices for certain characters, certain accents. So you may remember the Prisons Around the World short that we did. I asked Bioeditor to do the Aussie accent. My Aussie accent is garbage. So he's actually Australian, so it made sense for him to do it. All right, I'm gonna end this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End poll. Fairly convincing win for Agician. Number 2, congrats, Agician. And Vita and Sunnyflower, great entry. Cyborgium, great first entry as well. Agician will advance. All right. Our last 3. Asteroid, number 1. Zingogil, number 2. And Dorito Pour, number 3. Solid entries, everybody. Vote for your favorite. 1, 2, or 3. Number 1 is Asteroid. Number 2 is Zingogil. And number 3 is Dorito Pour. A cool Foxy votes for number 4 again. It's postmodern art. Just white space. It's a white hole. This is the sun viewed up close, number 4. Can you vote for 5 outside of Canvas? So I actually don't like how you're limited to only 4 options for polls in YouTube chat. I wish you could do more. It's kind of limiting that you can only do 4. All right, I'm going to end this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End poll. And it looks like number 1 will win with 50%. That's Asteroid. Asteroid, congrats. Zingogill, this was one of my favorite entries. Personal shout out to Zingogill. This was one of my favorite entries. The oh look, it's Panama. And then Dorito Pour, number 3. Great job. But Asteroid will take it. All right, we're getting down to the final 9. We're gonna have I'm Not Checking and Michael Najic. Versus Asteroid. One and 2. Marble, yours was one of the I showed it earlier in stream. All right, who wins? 1 or 2? On the left, we have I'm Not Checking and Michael Najic. Number 2 on the right, we have Asteroid. Great entries, both of these. Very similar color palettes. Very blue. These are both absolutely fantastic. So we're down to our final 9. So whoever wins this one will make it to a semifinal. I ain't voting because they're too good. You gotta vote. Vote for your favorite. Remember, there's no right and wrong in art. What speaks to you? Use whatever criteria you want. We've got a dead heat between 1 and 2 right now. Perfect. Love it. Daisy, hello Polandball. Are you actually Polish? I am not. No. The medium is called Polandball. The channel is called Polandball. I am American. I have been to Poland and I love it though. So shout out to any Poles in the chat. Alright. I'm going to end this in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End poll. Very close. But 55 to 44. I'm Not Checking and Michael Najic will advance. Congrats. Asteroid, excellent entry. Alright, next we have that one Native American artist. And Edict of Worms. Lithuania. I'm asked big favor of you. I'm asked to put German base in your country to keep out Russian. All right, vote for your favorite. 1 or 2. On the left, number 1, we have that one Native American artist. On the right, number 2, we have Edict of Worms. Vote for your favorite. Deep German voice. One of the few accents I don't think is totally shitty, my German accent. Mavash! Hello, how's it going? What if you're Swiss and you don't want to vote because you're neutral? Stop being neutral. Neutrality is the coward's way out. Pick a side. What is job of Baltics? Great question. You're the Belgium. The speed bump. Vote for your favorite, 1 or 2. Number 1 is that one Native American artist. Number 2 is Edict of Worms. Gonna end this in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End poll. Number 2 will win with 59% of the vote to 40%. Great job to both of you. That one Native American artist and Edict of Worms. Edict of Worms will take this one. Congrats. Next, we have Frog Lord. On the left. Versus George Washington on the right. Vote for your favorite, 1 or 2. On the left, number 1 is Frog Lord. On the right, number 2 is George Washington. He's back. George Washington has been dead in the ground for 250 years, but he's back. Making Polandball art. We've heard of Estonian to Nordic, but what about Poland getting into Baltic? The Pigeon Company, well, better be going. Also, Mr. At Coli, nice to see you, bro. I'm your goofy newbie subscriber. Thank you for subscribing. And please don't put Polandball upside down because it's massively confusing. That's the way it's been done for 15 years. I'm not going to be the one to change it. Poland is upside down in Polandball. Always has been, always will be. Alright, I'm going to end this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End poll. And it looks like number 2 will win with 62% to 37%. Frog Lord, great entry. Very clever. But George Washington will take this. Lana, was your entry featured? It was not. I am so sorry. I had no idea that you entered. No one told me. Because I know that you don't have Discord and you don't email. I can show your art real quick, though, if it's on your banner. Your channel banner. Let me pull it up. I apologize, Lana. I did not think to check. I collected all the artwork yesterday. Here's Lana's entry. I apologize, Lana, for not getting this. This is very, very well done. I'm gonna write on a... I don't have a pen with me, but I'll write on a post-it note and I'll put it on my monitor to make sure that I always check your channel before we do a contest. I'm just gonna assume that you enter every single one. So, again, I apologize, Lana. But this is very, very well done. Great job. Great artwork, and I love the alien UFO. Okay. I think... George Washington. Alright, so we have three entries that we have to do. We're going to do... Oh man, this is the hardest group, I think. Yeah, this is definitely the... Here, I'm gonna put Gold Bacon and Budgerry on the right so we can show more of it. It's tall and the other two are long. Okay. This might be the strongest group so far. All right. Vote for your favorite. 1, 2, or 3. Number 1 is Fritzo. Number 2 is Gold Bacon and Budgeria. Number 3 is Agician. All of these are excellent. Any of them deserve to win the entire thing. Powerful. Powerful group. Vote for your favorite. Red Dog CEO, please don't spam in chat. Again, number 1 is Fritzo. Number 2 is Gold Bacon and Bajaria. Number 3 is Agician. Vote for your favorite. I will end this in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End poll. Pretty close, but there is a clear winner. Number 1, Fritzo will advance. Congrats, Fritzo. Gold Bacon, Bajaria, and Agician. Excellent entries as always. You guys did fantastic jobs. Remember to post your art on r/Polandball art. Fritzo, congrats. All right. We are down to our final 4. So first we'll do I'm Not Checking, and Michael Najik will be number 1. And we'll do Fritzo, number 2. Isn't this a repeat of a previous contest? Last contest? All right, vote for your favorite. Who wins the first semifinal? Number 1 or number 2? Number 1 is Michael Najik, and I'm Not Checking. Number 2 is Fritzo. So we're down to the final 4. Whoever wins this will make it to the final. Number 1 or number 2? I'm Not Checking and Michael Najik are number 1. Fritzo is number 2. Pretty close. Make sure you get your votes in. I will end this in... I'll do a 1-minute timer. No, let's do 30-second timer. Get your votes in. 2 absolutely outstanding entries. Fritzo, Michael Najik, I'm Not Checking. You guys always produce incredible artwork. I love seeing whatever you guys cook up for every contest. These are really solid. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. End poll. All right. With 56%, I'm Not Checking and Michael Najik will advance to the final round. Fritzo with 43%. Fairly close. Fritzo, personal shout out. That was one of my favorite entries as well. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, Fritzo. Great job. Next. We have Edict of Worms on the left. I think this is the first time Edict of Worms has made it this far in a contest. And George Washington on the right. Same thing. I think this is the first time they've made it this far. 2 outstanding entries. Who wins semi-final 2? 1 or 2? Vote for your favorite. Gonna unpin this message. Totally forgot. Vote for your favorite. On the left, Edict of Worms is number 1. On the right, number 2 is George Washington. All right, I will end this in, let's do a 30-second timer. There is a country ball. There's a US right here in the middle. It's not just planet balls on the right. Vote for your favorite. 1 or 2. There is no right answer in art. Vote for what speaks to you. On the left, number 1, Edict of Worms. On the right, number 2, George Washington. Time. End poll. Fairly convincing win for Edict of Worms. Congrats, Edict of Worms. George Washington, another one of my personal favorite entries. Congrats on making it that far. Edict of Worms will advance to the final round. So, our grand final, today's space art contest, is between I'm Not Checking in Michael Najik on the right, and Edict of Worms. Sorry. I'm Not Checking Michael Najik on the left, and Edict of Worms on the right. We're going to do a straw poll. I'm going to put it in chat. Go vote for your favorite. Both excellent entries, both deserve to win. 2 very different art styles, but fantastic art, both of them. Vote for your favorite. Click on the straw poll link. We do straw poll so people can't alt. Our first couple of contests where we just voted in YouTube, people would log into like another Google account and then vote for themselves or a friend using multiple accounts. With straw poll, I can make it so that there's only 1 vote per IP address. So it's more genuine results. Vote for your favorite. Today's final. Edict of Worms on the right. I'm Not Checking Michael Najik on the left. We'll give this a 1-minute timer. Absolutely fantastic entries today, guys. Some of the best artwork I've seen in any of the contests we've done. I enjoyed seeing all of your artwork. And remember, don't feel sad if you didn't advance very far or if you didn't win, because it does not matter. It does not matter. It's just bragging rights. You don't win anything of substance. Why straw poll? It just makes it more complicated, because people would cheat when we used YouTube polls for the final, because people cared a lot. So they would log into an alt and they would vote for themselves or a friend, which isn't cool. We wanted the vote to have integrity. All right, and time. It looks like Edict of Worms with 53.66% of the vote to I'm Not Checking in Michael Najik's 46.34% of the vote. Edict of Worms will take this contest. Congrats, Edict of Worms. Michael Najik and I'm Not Checking, congrats again on making it to the final. Absolutely gorgeous artwork. But Edict of Worms will take today's art contest. Congrats, Edict of Worms. I don't know if you're in chat, but GG, everybody. Absolutely fantastic piece. I love it. Great, great standard cartoony Polandball style. It's excellent. Congrats, Edict of Worms. Let me turn this into a sticker. This is the simplest art you've seen win. That is not a bad thing at all. Just because one piece might be more complicated and involve more effort than another one does not necessarily mean it's better, right? Art is entirely subjective. What you might like or value in a piece of art, somebody else might not, and there's no better reason than just voting for what you like. Grant, I really make these streams so good. Thank you, I appreciate that. I try. Simplest. Someone went with just a picture of a ball that said Paul. Okay, well, in defense of the contest, I chose that one, and they didn't win the contest. They advanced to the round of 32 because I thought it was funny. So I like humor. I don't necessarily go with what's the most technically impressive artwork. Okay, so let me make Edict of Worms entry a sticker. Is there a worm emoji? There is, okay. All right, we turned this into a sticker on our Discord. If you're not a member of our Discord, you can join at discord.gg/PolandballOfficial. Also, thank you to those of you who have used your Discord Nitro Boost on our Discord server. We really appreciate it. So shout out to those of you who boost our Discord. It's very kind of you. Let me make an announcement real quick. Let's see. Is Edict of Worms just Edict of Worms? Yeah, in Discord. All right, congrats, Edict of Worms, for winning today's art contest. So Edict of Worms will help choose the next contest theme, so stay tuned. We'll try and get that theme out to you guys sooner rather than later, since if it's next Saturday, we're already a day behind since it's already Sunday. Art review, yay or nay? Not today, unfortunately. I am not feeling great, and I've got some work that I've got to get to. But this was a great art contest. Thank you guys for joining and for submitting your artwork. Really cool stuff. And I hope to see you guys submit more artwork for the next one. Most likely next Saturday. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the rest of your weekend and the start of your week. I might stream a little bit tomorrow evening, but we will see. I have had a very exhausting and busy week. I apologize for not streaming for the past 8 days. I don't know that I'll be able to stream as much as I have, at least over the next 2 or 3 weeks. So I will try and stream tomorrow, but we will see. Thank you guys for joining. Drop a like on the stream. Go check out our newest short that dropped at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, U.S. Eastern Time today. And go watch Red Comedy Club. All right. Take care, guys.